This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to grow moringa from seeds. First, begin by selecting high-quality, plump moringa seeds. Soaking your seeds is a crucial first step. Place them in water for 24 to 48 hours. This helps soften their outer shell, encouraging quicker germination. While they soak, prepare your planting medium. Moringa thrives in well-draining soil, so a mix with sand or compost is ideal for starting your seeds. Once your seeds are prepared, it's time to plant. Sow each seed about 1 inch deep in small pots or directly into your garden bed. If using pots, make sure they have adequate drainage to prevent water from accumulating, which can cause rot. Moringa is a tropical plant, so maintaining a warm soil temperature, ideally above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, is essential for successful germination. Proper care is vital for your young moringa seedlings. Keep the soil consistently moist, but be careful not to overwater, as soggy conditions can lead to root rot. These plants love the sun, so ensure they receive at least 6 to 7 hours of direct sunlight each day. You should typically see your seeds germinate within 7 to 14 days, though some may take a little longer to sprout. When your moringa seedlings are about 6 to 8 inches tall, they are ready for transplanting to their final location. Handle their delicate roots with extreme care to minimize any transplant shock. Once established, and when the plants reach 8 to 10 inches in height, consider pruning them. This encourages bushier growth and a more abundant harvest of leaves, ensuring a healthy, productive plant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.